Yes, ma'am.
So the beta blockers are present into the sympathetic nervous system. Okay, the sympathetic nervous system. So what is the work of sympathetic nervous system? It works for the emergency condition. Emergency means that fight and flight mode. Fight and flight mode. Means in emergency situation it works. Okay, if you are running, what will happen? Your BP will be. If anything suddenly happens, if your BP will be increased. Okay, so that is the thing will be increase your heartbeat and will increase your BP also. Okay, if you increase your BP or suddenly it will be increased. Means your heartbeat is normal heartbeat is 70 to 72. Okay, but if you are running, ज़्यादा speed में, if any dog comes back to you and you are running, so what will happen? Your heart will be increased. Is it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
80 हो जाएगा, 85 हो जाएगा. So in that condition में also your heart is pumping very fastly and the chances of heart collapse is there. Understand? Your rhythm will be disturbed. Your beat will be disturbed. So in that condition, increase blood pressure, high heartbeat. क्या होगा यार? Blood pressure also will be increased. If the heartbeat is increased, your blood pressure also will be increased. Once your blood pressure is increased, the same problem will be there. You will get the cardiac arrest. Okay. So for controlling this one, we are giving the beta blockers, which is present in the there are two types of the drug, alpha blockers and beta blockers. So the beta blockers are present in the site of heart, inside the heart. So if we are giving the beta blocker, then what it will be do? It will be inhibit the beta cells, beta blockers. Okay, beta cells so it will be blocked. So if the beta cells are blocked, what will happen? The BC will be increased. Or it will decrease the increase heartbeat, and if increase heartbeat is decreased, what will happen? The BP also will be decreased. So like that, and so beta blocker drugs are working. Understand? Everyone understand? So these are the drugs which are comes under the no. These are the class